Welcome to the world united. Welcome to the world united.
So I'll give a very brief introduction to Ankita. She's an IT professional, works with Oracle, loves people. She was open enough to share that she had a lot of health challenges when she was young, things like sugar and hypertension, which made her go back to her inner self and kind of find pure for her own self, and that gave her a lot of empowerment so that she can reach out to more people and help them become better at health. She connects deeply to Bhagavad Gita, and she believes that there is a supreme soul, and we intuitively feels that there is a supreme soul and we are all part of it. Today she's going to talk on spirituality and youth health because she loves connecting with youth. Ankita, it's been a pleasure knowing you. Over to you. Thank you.
Yeah, hi. Thank you, Vasanta, for a brief introduction. So as a professional, I am an IT professional. I mean, I'm a software developer, and I do wellness coaching also out of my love for health and wellness. So what we basically do over there is, people whoever are suffering from health ailments and like weight gain or thyroid or hypertension or any of this thing, we help them over there, okay, to gain their health without any medication, like without any chemically induced medication, with just some lifestyle changes. So when I was young, so that time like I faced a lot. I just when I got out of college, like I got into IT profession, and definitely like whoever are engineers over here, they might able to connect with me. Life is really stressful at that point of time. You don't get to know whether you're on a right path. Your friends are doing something. You always have that tendency to compare yourself with your friends or what they are doing, whether you are doing good or not. Lot of self doubt, lot of that low in confidence you feel whenever at that point of age. And I was just googling like what is the age for youth. US defines it as 15 to 25, and then India says we can extend it to 30. So then I was like, no much of youth. But yeah, at heart I am still that kid who loves to explore, who wants to do so many things. And then like how a child is, even if someone scores, I will be like, okay, I am ready to learn at that point. So that is the thing. When it comes to spirituality, yeah, I faced a lot of challenges with respect to my health also. So my spirituality and health journey both started hand in hand. Initially, like when I started working on my health, that is the time, like I started following diet and then exercise regime and all those things, like keeping into mind stress and sleep also. Okay, so what I feel is where most of the time today's youth, they are stuck at. Uh, Reason number one is again the comparison, or they just want to show off. Like for example, many of the youth over here, they want to go for either iPhone or MacBook or car or bike, like higher validation things. They don't, I mean, it is just like the materialistic comparison, wherein just they want to show off. The reason behind that is nothing but it is just like how superior I am. That is what most of the youth. And it is like there is no proper association, I would say. Proper association in the sense, it is not like if I give you the example of the association, it is in the nature. Okay, like for example, if you see Spain is famous for tomatoes. Okay, like why it is famous for tomatoes? Like obviously a weather over there and environment over there, it is very much comfortable for the tomatoes to breed and to flourish and to give that juicy texture to the tomatoes. But if you see even the average tomatoes in the Spain, it tastes better compared to any other region in the world. Okay, so the reason behind that is, since that association is there, every tomato strives to become better and better and better of itself. So that is the thing. So same thing when it comes to human being. Like when we have a proper association, when we have a proper people around us, we try to become an average of those people. So that's why whenever we are thinking of being connected with someone, we should consciously know to him, we should consciously know to whom we are connecting with, and to whom we are associating with, because that largely defines our future, and like how succeeding we will be. So same thing happened with me also when I was in the right association. One of my spirituality guru, he told me, Ankita, when you have any problem, just go to Bhagavad Gita, read any of the page, like you can just open the page and you can relate to the life process and what is happening to you. So that was one of the things wherein I could relate very well myself, and I could seek my answer and get my answers to any of the problem whichever I was suffering through. And I think each and everyone, even every person over here, they spoke very well about depression and all the aspects, so I'll not touch to that part. But yeah, I would always say, whenever we are going through any of the health issues or any of the mental health issues or physical health, know whom you are asking your answers to. Like, it should be a proper person. It shouldn't be like, supposing, say you are having a mental health issue and you are asking some a carpenter or a plumber. They might not know any of the thing, right, about that. I mean, we should always ask to the right person. So same way, like even when I was going through, when I asked some of my friends, they were like, no, no, nothing. It is just, in your head, wherever you're feeling that, you're blocked or you're stuck. But like, you should know whom you are asking to. So that is one of the thing. And yeah, I think right association and reaching to right people is very, very important. So that would be my message. And coming back to the spirituality, it is, you will get always people either to teach you or to learn from them. Okay, either to give you a knowledge or to learn like what not to do. So that is what I highly feel. That is the thing, like whoever a person or people I meet, either I learn from them what not to do, or either I get a lot of knowledge how to be. So that's what like make me the person today I am. And with that, I would like to end and not take more of the time, because already I think each and every one of us, we are sitting from morning. So yeah, that with that I would like to conclude. Thank you.
You have 2 more minutes, Ankita. If you don't have to, if you have to add
So
something, please go ahead.
it's fine. I'm done almost with all my pointers. So yeah, we can go ahead with the remains.
Thank you, thank you. I always remembered Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara when I thought of tomatoes, but you gave me a better reason to think about tomatoes, that the right association linked to it. Fantastic. I really enjoyed it. It's going to remain with me. So let's jump into the panel discussion. Floyd? Oh, I'm sorry, I keep forgetting. Ankita, this is a certificate from the World United to you. Well done. And especially, we have mentioned in the group, but you did such a fabulous job of designing all the promotional material. It was so much of hard work, and you were there at every day sending all those messages in the group. Man, I bow down to you. Great job, yeah.
Thank you.
Great job.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.